Hi, boys and girls. So, we are going to continue learning about plant and animal relationships. So, we moved on to lesson 2.1 exploring plant parts. In this lesson, we are going to ask you to think about what you already know about parts of a plant, and now think about and to begin to think about what role these parts play in the plant system. So, how do plants get water and sunlight? Remember, we are plant scientists and we're studying the chalta trees. So, what did we decide was a possible reason that no new chalta trees are growing in the Bengal Tiger Reserve? Right, the seeds are not getting enough water and sunlight. Hmm. So now that brings us to our next question. Why aren't the chalta seeds getting what they need to grow? So, to answer our chapter question, we need to understand how plants get sunlight and water in the first place. So, here you're going to stop the video and you're going to watch a brain pop, and it's going to show you all the parts of the plant and their jobs. So, click here to watch the video to help you learn more about how plants get what they need to survive. For the next two lessons, we'll investigate this question. How do plants get the water and sunlight they need to grow? So we are going to do that by exploring roots and leaves, and those are parts of a plant. So let's start by observing plants and their parts. So every plant part has a job. We will think about what each part might do for the plant. So in the video, you learned about the parts of the root and the stem and the leaves, and put all of those ideas together, boys and girls, and think about how do they help the plants. So remember, when you observe, you use any of the five senses to gather information about something. So here's your activity for today. You're going to stop on this page and you're going to explain how these plant parts help these plants. So you're going to double click on the boxes. I've started one for you already. Think about the grass. How does the grass help the roots? So finish that sentence stem. Then think about the tree in the middle and double click on the green box and explain how do you think these roots are helping that tree? And then the last box, you can double click on the carrot and explain how do you think the sprouted plant is helping that carrot grow underground. Now you're going to put all of your evidence together to explain this. So, evidence is just information that helps you figure out an answer to a question. So, on this page, boys and girls, you're going to double click on the yellow box and you are going to answer this question. How do you think a plant's roots and leaves help the plant to get what it needs to grow? Okay, boys and girls, that's the end of our lesson for today. And remember, this lesson will help build on the knowledge for the next lesson. So I hope this helped you. Bye for now.